pa ganyan ang kuha. Landscape ba yun? Sunday, gusto nyo, dito ulit kayo. Going up 60. Okay. So we're here at the 16th floor of Solaire North, and our room is 1619. So it is 1623, so two more rooms. Oh yeah, 1621, and the room is here, 1619. Okay. Nasa Solaire North na naman kayo for another 2 days and 1 night. At ngayon ay room, ano to? 1619. Yeah. Buksan mo nga yung ano, yung automatic curtain. Late ano tayo, late check-in eh. O yun, bumubukas. Yeah. So late check-in tayo, kadadating lang natin. Kaya ayun, ang view natin, yung EDSA. Pulang-pula na ang traffic. Traffic na. Ha? Swimming ka na. Oh, yun ang swimming pool. Yun ang swimming pool. Sige, makapag-swimming ka pa. Maambon lang konti. Ayun, grabe traffic. Oh. So that is EDSA. It's not normal if there is no traffic. Okay. So this is our room for tonight. Si Casey, pa-hotel-hotel na lang. Okay. This is the toilet and bathroom. So we have the washroom here. This the bathtub. So we requested for additional towels and dental kit. There's the shower room and the toilet. Okay. So okay, there's the wall. Okay, the bathroom, the sleeper. Okay. So let's see. Ayan. Okay, thank you. Ano rin pala ng isang towel pa? Pasensya ka na ha. Isa-isa. Okay, so yeah, this is our room, 1619. Oh, there's a gentleman over there. Yeah. Okay, sige. Shout out ka lang. There he is. So, this is our room for tonight. Another nice room. Pleasant room to stay. Okay. Very good, very good. Okay na, okay na. Thank you. Okay. Yun si Madam. My beautiful wife. Ganda niya ngayon. Bagong gupit. Okay. Let's see what will be next for the rest of the night. Okay, we have an LED TV and say, welcome to Solaire. Thank you for choosing to stay with us. Our team is dedicated to making your stay as comfortable as possible. At the end of your visit, we will appreciate if you could share your experience with us on TripAdvisor. Wishing you a pleasant stay at Solar. Warm regards. Thursday, August 8, 8 o'clock in the evening, 8:20 to be exact. Okay. Yan. Marami siyang mga ano. Yan, marami siyang coffee tea. Let's try. Oh, EDSA. Medyo nag-improve na ang EDSA pala. Nag-improve na siya. Nag-improve na. Oh, may nagsiswimming pala eh. Okay. Okay. So, let's explore the hotel. Going up. Let's check another room. And it is on the 19th floor. Okay, here we are. 19th floor. So it should be on the left side. Oh yeah, there's 1912. 1912. Okay, bango. Bango. So as you enter, the same thing. There's the bathroom and the toilet. There's the shower room. There's the toilet. There's the washroom and the bathtub. Okay, again we are going to request for additional amenities. Okay, so that's the board and the bathroom. Okay, so this is very nice, huh? To keep your things. Nice, wow, maybe lucky one. This is the room. This will be the room for the wedding anniversary of TJ and Claire. Let's try to check the view. So let's try to open. Oh, okay, it's opening. What's the view? Let's check for the view. The view is Trinoma. There's Trinoma over there, and that's EDSA. The taxi. So there's the open parking, and over there is the parking for Trinoma, and after Trinoma it is SM. So still a lot of construction are being done at this place. So this place is really developing. Okay. So this is the view. That's the MRT. Marty over there, and EDSA. Surprisingly, medyo hindi matraffic ang EDSA ngayon. Okay, okay. Because it's Sunday. Okay. So, nice one. Soap bedroom. And the date is August 11. After this, we are going to check at Hilton for the two of us, because we will be staying at Hilton from today until Tuesday for our flight to Sapporo, Japan on that day, Tuesday, by 2 p.m. Okay, nice one. Ito pa isa, ito pa gamitin niya. Ito pa ano.
Tingin sa kayo.
Kumain ba? Andun na yun.
Ayun na, niligo na oh. Ayun na si Primo oh.
Dito naman kami.
Ano ba ang sabi nila? Okay. Lagot na lang picture.
Si Primo wala kasama doon oh. Brad, dito. Naririto naman daw siya uli eh. Primo! Primo! Thank you ah. Ano ka na? Buti, Bella, dala mo yung pang-swimming mo ngayon. Pag-swimming ka.